ready to unlock the power of automation and build incredible workflows, all from the comfort of your local machine. First, let's make sure you have Node.js and npm or Node Package Manager installed. These are essential for running N8n. If you don't have them, head over to the Node.js website and download the latest version. Installation guides are available on their website. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. This is where we'll enter the commands to install N8n. Now, type the command npm install N8n and press enter. This command globally installs N8n on your system, making it accessible from anywhere. Wait for the installation to complete. This might take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, type N8n and press enter. This command starts the N8n server on your local machine. You should see some output in the terminal indicating that the server is starting. Open your web browser and go to http://localhost5678. This is the default address where N8n runs locally. You should now see the N8n interface. Congratulations, you've successfully installed and launched N8n locally. Now you can start creating, testing, and experimenting with your own automation workflows. Feel free to explore the interface, add nodes, and connect them to build your first workflow. And that's it. You're now ready to harness the power of local N8n for development, testing, and personal automation projects. Happy automating!